So I'm out here in the desert today. I was going to do some shooting. I'm going to be shooting my Pietta Kirst conversion 45 Colt, done for me by Mike over at Goon's Gun Works. So we're going to fire off a couple of shots with this, and but today I'm going to make some ramen and some spam. You can see I got my setup right here. So I'm gonna get everything started, and we'll turn the video on when I get done. What I'm gonna be cooking in today is this MSR pot. I've had this thing for, I don't know, 30 years. And I've also got a Bud Light can that now identifies as a alcohol stove. And I've had that for about 30 years too. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cooking, and I will be back in a second. Got the noodles boiling. I don't really like using these alcohol stoves. You can't really see the flames when they're on, and if you spill it, it gets all over the place. It's kind of, I wouldn't say dangerous, but you really gotta pay attention to what you're doing when you're using them. Sometimes the pot will fall off the thing. You know, it's hard to balance it on there sometimes. But they're fun to use, you know, lightweight. It's time to cut up this spam and throw it in there. I'm not planning on making a whole bunch of gourmet food on here. It's basically stuff that I would cook if I was out, you know, hunting or hiking around or camping, you know, and I'm by myself, and it's just something I just rustle up just to eat real quick. But anyway, this thing's just about done. We'll get it off the fire here. See how it tastes, you know. Load up this Pietta and shoot a few rounds. That's a view of the alcohol stove. You really can't see the flames. What I'll do, I'll put a little video inside here when I'm back at the shop of how they look when the pot's on it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to eating this thing, and then we'll be shooting in a second. That's the way the burgers look. Oh yeah, perfect. Somehow, when you're out in the wilderness, food just tastes a whole lot better, no matter what it is you're eating. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this revolver out here and shoot off a few rounds so you can see how it shoots. I'll just finish eating this, and then we'll get back in a second. Yeah, so if you want to get your 6-shooter converted to a Kirst converter, this one's in 45 Colt. Give my friend Mike Brackett a call over there at Goons Gun Works. He'll do a good job, great job for you. He also tuned the action on this thing, and it's smooth as silk. But anyway, so that's it for today. Just a few rounds. I'm going to do some more shooting, but I'm not going to put that on video. Anyway, Kashtuk Bow and Gun, thanks for watching.